The moment you start a family tree on Ancestry, we start searching to see if we can find any records that match the names, dates, and places you've entered. Ancestry has more than 27 billion records online, and that's a lot of information to sift through. So the Ancestry hint technology was designed to do some of that sifting for you. If we find something we think is a match, we'll show you a leaf on that person in your tree. When you click that Ancestry hint, you may find your grandmother's yearbook photo or your grandfather's World War II draft card. You might find a great-grandparent in the household of their parents when they were a child, and that opens up a whole new generation of discoveries for you to make. A quick tip. Sometimes people with the same name live in the same place at the same time, so always review the whole record, including any attached images. Make sure it really is for your person before you save it to your tree. Once you do, the Ancestry hint technology gets to work again looking for more records about that person to help you discover even more. And that's Genealogy in a minute.